Magandang hapon po ng Friday, June 27, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5pm draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5pm draw result ngayong Friday, June 27, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5pm. 3D Lotto 5pm draw result ngayong June 27, 2025 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5pm. 'See you again later for 9pm draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Friday, June 27, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 36.5 million pesos and Lotto 642 estimated jackpot price is 157 million pesos for June 27, 2025 Friday draw. Thank you for watching this 5pm video for Friday, June 27, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.